Welcome, my dear students, for online class from Manikar Sorrel Model High School. Dear students, now I am going to discuss on English second paper for the SSC students. Dear students, today's topic changing sentence Shillett Board 2016. Going to next step. Question A. Long time ago, there lived a young man called Ruplal. Long time ago, there lived a young man called Ruplal. Compound. Dear students, you have to change into compound. Dear students, you know, and I have discussed in my previous class many time, a lot of time. One subject, one finite verb, simple sentence. One subject, one finite verb, simple sentence. Dear students, only one subject, one finite verb in this sentence. So this sentence is simple sentence. While changing into compound, you have to come and. While changing into compound, you have to come and in the compound sentence. The students first you have to write long time ago there lived a young man till this. Up to this you have to write. Long, long, time, time, ago, ago, there, lived, lived, young, man. Dear students, notice carefully. Firstly, you have to write long time ago there lived a young man till this. And then you have to set and, and the end, and the end. And you have to bring verb, be verb. This was notice carefully. This is our principal clause. This is our principal. They are lived, B2. So you have to bring was. You have to bring was. And then you have to set subject. The students, you should remember that a young man, you have to, a young man is a subject in principal clause part. You have to set pronoun from a young man. You have to set, you have to write pronoun he, 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 and then you have to set be verb was as the principal clause is past form, so you have to set was, and then you have to write next part of this sentence. Next part, called Ruplal, CALLED, called, RUPLAL, Ruplal. Dear students, this sentence has been changed into compound. By using this formula, you can change into compound in this way. Going to next question B. He lived with his family and worked on a farm. Interrogative. The students, we have to change into interrogative. He lived with his family and worked on a farm. Interrogative. Question, my dear students. Is there auxiliary verb? Is there any auxiliary verb in this sentence? No, my dear students, there is no auxiliary verb in this sentence. So you have to find B1, B1 plus S or ES obliges B2. So dear students, you know this word. This is subject, he. So principal verb is principal verb is used after subject. So this is verb. This is principal verb. Lift, and you know, if the ded with the verb, if the verb is if it is ded, if ed with the verb at the end of the, so you have to think this verb is B2. The students, as there is a suffix D with the verb at the end of this, so you have to think this verb is B2. If you find B2, you have to bring auxiliary verb before subject. If you find B2, you have to say did before subject. The student's subject he, and another verb worked. B2, this is another verb worked B2. This verb, this is principal verb, another verb, two principal verb in this sentence. So B2 and B2. So you have to say did. First you have to write did, did. And if the sentence is affirmative, you have to set negative. If the sentence is negative, you have to set affirmative. Is it clear, my dear students? If the sentence is affirmative, you have to set negative. If the sentence is negative, you have to set affirmative. So you have to add NT in brief with this verb. NT, didn't. And then you have to write he, subject he, he. You have to cut ed, d from the verb lift, d. You have to write lift, 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 WITH with HIS, his, FAMILY, family, and WORK, work. The students, you have to cut ed from this verb because we know M means equal. Too close join, too close has been joined in this sentence. So and join and has joined too close in this sentence. So it was, this is B2, this is another verb B2. So past form, this is past form, this is past form. So you have to cut ed from worked. When on a FARM farm, the students, you have to set question marks. In this way, you can again I can discuss. Listen clearly. First, you have to write why changing in interrogative. First, you have to bring auxiliary verb. If there is no auxiliary verb in this sentence, if you do not find any auxiliary verb in the sentence, so you have to bring do, does, did. Exactly, if you find B2, you have to bring did. In the field of cases, you have to change into B1. If you find B1 plus S or ES, you have to bring does, and you have to set does, and you have to cut S or ES from the principal verb. If you find B1, you have to set do, and there is no sense. Dear students, if the sentence is affirmative, you have to change into negative. If the sentence is negative, you have to change into affirmative, and you have to write past. You have to write next part of this sentence, and then you have to set question marks at the end of this sentence. So, my dear students, this sentence has been interrogative. Next step. It was a beautiful place. It was a beautiful place, but there were a lot of problems. The students, question: is this sentence compound or simple? You have to change into complex. So you have to identify, is it compound or simple? The students, notice carefully, there is a conjunction but. There is a conjunction. But is a conjunction of compound. So this sentence is compound sentence. The students, if you find but in the compound sentence, you have to come while changing into complex. You have to come though, although. You have to come though, although. If you find but in the compound sentence, you have to come while changing into complex. You have to come though, although. True, dear students, this is subordinate. This is subordinate clause. Exactly this is coordinate clause. Two clause are coordinate clause. Exactly two clause are coordinate clause. So the you have to think, but there is used before this sentence. So this is principal clause. There were a lot of problems. This is principal clause. Another subordinate clause. You have to think. Exactly, firstly, though although is used before subordinate clause because the students firstly have to write though although. THOUGH, though. It was a beautiful place. Dear students, you have to write it was a beautiful place. This close. You have to write this close. ITWS was a BEAUTIFUL, beautiful, PLACE, place. And then you have to set comma instead of but. You have to write next part of this sentence. You have to write next part of this sentence. There were a lot of problems after but. TACRE, there, WERE, were, a LOT, lot of, PROBLEMS, MS. Though it was a beautiful place, there were a lot of problems. Dear students, this sentence has been complex. By using this formula, you can change into complex. Going to next step, question D. The village people were quarrelsome. The students, you have to change into negative according to the order. The village people were quarrelsome, negative. The students, you have to change into negative. Firstly, question: is there any auxiliary in this sentence? Yes, my dear students, auxiliary were. So, quarrelsome, auxiliary is adjective is used before after auxiliary. Adjective is used after auxiliary. So, this is adjective and this is auxiliary. Subject plus auxiliary. If you find subject plus auxiliary, you have to while changing into negative. While changing into negative, you have to set not after auxiliary verb. You have to set not after auxiliary verb. The students, you have to write the village people. THE, the BILLAG, village, PEOPLE, people, WERE, NOT, not. You have to set not, and you have to set antonym. You have to set antonym. The word quarrelsome. Exactly, antonyms: peaceful, peace loving, quarrelsome, peace loving. Antonyms: quarrelsome, antonym, peace loving. Dear students, you have to write peace loving. PEAC, peace. LOVING, peace loving. This sentence has been negative. In this way, you can change into negative by using this formula. Formula is subject plus auxiliary verb. Subject plus auxiliary verb. Question E. Rupal decided to go and leave alone. Rupal decided to go and leave alone in the jungle in order to find peace. Rupal decided to go and live alone in the jungle in order to find peace. Complex. Dear students, you have to change into complex. Question, my dear students, is the sentence simple or compound? Is the sentence simple or compound? As you have to change into complex, so you have to identify the sentence. Is the sentence simple or compound? Dear students, exactly, notice carefully. In order to plus B1, in order to is a phrase. In order to is a phrase. If you find in order to plus B1, if you find in order to plus B1, the students B1 find. So if you find this formula while changing into complex, you have to come so that instead of in order to, the students, you have to write, firstly you have to write Rupal decided to go and live alone in the jungle. E. The students, first you have to write Rupal decided to go. RUPLAL, Rupal, DECIDED, decided to go. Decided to go and LIVE, live. ALONE, live alone in the JUNGLE, jungle. The students, you have to write up to this. You have to write before in order to, and then you have to set so that instead of in order to. S also THAT, so that, and then you have to write subject from principal clause. Dear students, principal clause, here principal clause, as Rupal decided to go and live alone in the jungle in order. This student, this is principal clause. So you have to set subject from principal clause. You have to bring subject from principal clause. Principal clause Rupal, subject Rupal. So you have to set pronoun as subject. Plural pronoun he. You have to set he. He. And then you have to write can, could, may, might. Dear students, notice carefully. Decided B2. So you have to set could. COU. COULD, could. And then you have to write next part of this sentence after in order to. Find fish. Could find fish. FIND, find PEACE, find fish. Ruplal decided to go to live alone in the jungle so that you could find fish. Question F, going to next step. So he collected his things and went to live by himself. Simple. This one, dear students, you have to change into simple. Again, so he collected his things and went to live by himself. Simple. Yes, students, you have to change into simple. Question: Is the sentence compound or complex? Yes, students, you have guessed exactly. This sentence is compound because there is a conjunction of compound in this sentence. This conjunction is and. Here conjunction is and. And the end. So this sentence is compound sentence. While changing into simple, you have to, while changing into simple, dear students, so he collected his, you have to write, you have to write, so he collected his things and to live, to to go to live by himself, to go to live by himself. The students, you have to set to instead of and you have to set b1 of went. The students, first you have to write, so he collected his things. The students, notice carefully two principal verb in this sentence: collect, went. Collect, went. You can change into two way in this sentence. B1 plus ing. You can change it to B1 plus ing, or you can 2 plus B1, 2 plus B1. He collected his things. So COLLECTED, collecting ing, collecting. The students, B1 plus ing, because there is two principal in this sentence. By plus B1 plus ing or B1 plus ing, collecting his things. collecting his things. Thing. His, thing, things, his things, collecting his things. You have to set comma and then you have to write subject he. He. Instead of, you have to set comma instead of and you have to set subject, and you have to write next part of the sentence while to live by himself. WENTON to LIVE by HIMACLF, or you can write he collected or you can write after plus beyond plus ing or by plus beyond plus ing or beyond plus only beyond plus ing. In this way you can change into simple. The students, you can write another format. He collected his things to go to live by himself. This is infinitive phrase 2 plus b1. You can write in this way. So my dear students, going to next step. Rublal made a nice little heart for himself in the jungle. Passive. The students, you have to change it to passive. Firstly, question: is there any auxiliary in this sentence? This one, there is no auxiliary in this sentence. Dear students, notice carefully. There is no auxiliary in this sentence. So there is, as there is no auxiliary in this sentence, so you have to find. You have to find B1, B1 plus S or ES or B2. The students make, notice carefully, mate. So this is verb, this is subject. This is verb, this is subject. And this is object, a nice little heart. A nice little heart. This is object. First we have to write object as subject. First we have to write object as subject. Nice, nice, LITTLE, little, HUT, heart, for him. The students, first you have to write a nice little heart. You have to write this. And then you have to set auxiliary verb. Dear students, extra word. But there is no auxiliary in this sentence. You have to set auxiliary, but there is no auxiliary in this sentence because, dear students, this is, you have to set extra word, but notice carefully, this verb is B2. Made is B2. Here made is B2. Made verb, it is B2. Here made verb, it is B2. So you have to bring extra word was, were, because this verb is B2. You have to set was, were, extra word. This one, notice carefully, this subject is singular, so you have to set was. WAS was, and then you have to write B3 instead of B2. Make, made. B3, made. MADE, made. And then you have to write next part of this sentence for himself in the jungle. for HIMACLF, himself in the JUNGLE, jungle. And then you have to set by because Ruplal is personal subject. Ruplal is a personal subject. So you have to set by. by. And then you have to write Ruplal. RUPLAL as object. Ruplal. A nice little hut was made for himself in the jungle by Ruplal. This was in this way you can change into passive by using this formula. A is, notice carefully, my dear students. Question number A is, how happy am I am now? How happy I am now, assertive. How happy I am now, assertive. The students, you have to change into assertive. This sentence is exclamatory. The students, notice this is marks of this sentence. This is another marks, how, what. So this sentence is exclamatory sentence. You have to change into assertive. The students, firstly, subject and verb is used after uh, lastly in this sentence. Last word in this sentence. So you have to set last word in this sentence. After subject and verb is used, last word in this sentence. So you have to set subject. Firstly, you have to subject and verb. You have to bring subject and verb. You have to write subject and verb. I am. I am. And then you have to write very or great. The students, notice carefully. You have to write very or great instead of how or what, but how instead of how. You have to write very instead of how, because there is no article in this word. So you have to set how, a very, and this is adjective. This is adjective. Here happy is adjective. So you have to set very. Very, very. And then you have to write happy after how or what plus you place and before subject. Before subject and before subject. You have to write after how and before subject. The students, you have to write happy. A double P P Y. Double P Y. A double P Y. Happy. Now NOW now. The students, I am very happy now. You can write now firstly. You can write firstly now. Firstly, you can write now. Okay. So, my dear students, going to next step. Question I, my jungle heart is one of the most peaceful places in the world. My jungle heart is one of the most peaceful places in the world. Positive. The students' question, is the sentence superlative or comparative? Because you have to change into positive, so you have to identify this sentence is this sentence is superlative or comparative. Is this sentence superlative or comparative? The students, notice carefully, one of the plus adjective 3. This is the tools in this sentence. This is a tools. One of the plus adjective 3. There is a tools in this sentence, one of the plus adjective 3. Dear students, if you find this formula while changing into positive, you have to come very few dot as plus adjective 1 pluses. The students, is it clear? Must be. If you find this formula, one of the plus adjective 3, if you find this formula, one of the plus adjective 3, while changing into positive, you have to come very few dot dot s plus adjective 1 plus s. This students, firstly you have to write very few, very, very, APW, very few. Dear students, very few, this phrase is fuller, so you have to set fuller verb after very few. Dear students, uh, you have to set adjective 3. You have to set next part of the sentence after one of the plus adjective 3. One of the plus adjective 3. Here one of the plus adjective 3 peaceful. One of the plus adjective 3. One of the plus most peaceful. This is adjective 3. So you have to write places in the world after very few. PLACES, places in the WORLD, world. ARE, you have to say, the students, notice in this group is verb, B group, but in this group 3 verbs, am is there. You have to set plural verb. You have to set plural verb because this subject, places in the world, plural, very few, plural noun is used after very few, plural verb is used after very few, plural noun is used after very few. So you have to set R, and then you have to set S. You have to write B adjective 1 instead of adjective 3. You have to write adjective 1 instead of adjective 3. This means most, one of the, you have to cut most and you have to write peaceful. Peaceful. You have to write peaceful. PEACEAFUL, peaceful. And you have to write as. Again, you have to set as, and then you have to write principal subject. You have to write subject of this sentence. My jungle heart. My my JUNGLE, jungle. Uh, this is wrong. JUNGLE, jungle. HUT, heart. The students, notice carefully. Very few places in the world are as peaceful as my jungle heart. In this way, by using this formula, you can change into positive from one of the plus adjective 3. If you find this formula, you have to change into, you can change into positive. While changing into positive, you have to come very few dot dot as plus adjective 1 plus s. Going to next step, my dear students. Very set, and the example is not found. Okay, my dear students, up to this, till this, this this is a typing mistake. The students, question J must be found in your exercise book, any book. So my dear students, up to this, if you like my video, if you are benefit my video teaching, if you are benefit my teaching, you will subscribe. You should subscribe my channel. So my dear students, I will arrive before with a new video. I will arrive before you with a new video. So have a good day till this.